Iya dengar.
Okay, let us start. Okay.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And I speak to Dr. Muhaimin and our fellow classmates. So today we are going to present about about a project which is Entrepreneurship Workshop. We are from Group F and my name is Musfira binti Mahyudin. My matric number is 198591.
My name is
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, Kavita first.
My name is Kavita. My matrix number is 197342.
My name is Abhimanyu Mauliadi. My matric number is 199742.
Okay. My name is Aditomo. My matric number is 200168.
Okay, so I will give a little brief about our workshop. So our workshop will be organized for 3 days, okay, let's go straight to the risk. Okay. A second. Okay, first of all, as far as we know, we are currently suffering from COVID-19, especially around the world. Okay, so there are 4 major risks that we could conclude. Firstly, the first challenge for our workshop is movement control order, MCO. Secondly, heavy equipment failure. Thirdly, budget. Fourth, finding the right venue. So for MCO, we can't really promote or allow everyone to join our seminar, and maybe we need to cater the number of people to enter our workshop. So heavy equipment failure, this is quite typical for anything that use audio or visual equipment. So and finding the right venue, this is quite usual to find. We need to find the right venue to organize our workshop. Since this is 3 days, and we also need to prepare ourselves if the venue is cancelled. Okay, for budget, this is quite correlated with the venue. So for minor risk, is finding the right speaker, audience engagement, time management, planning, technology use, food catering, finding the right team. All of these minor risks is actually correlated with it's actually sourced from one risk, which is audience engagement. First of all, if we want to attract our audience, we need to find the right speaker for this workshop. And what if our speaker would not attend our workshop? And how would we tolerate with that? And planning the technology use, what type of equipment and technology do we need to provide to attract audience and let the audience stay engaged with our workshop. Food to provide comfort for the audience, and for time management, maybe some of the audience will arrive late and maybe the speaker will arrive late. We don't know. Okay, these are the risks that our group managed to found. Okay, I pass to Kavita for response type.
Can you scroll down, Musfira?
I'm sorry?
Scroll down the
Okay.
screen.
I can't see the screen. It's okay. From the major and minor risks that we are already identified, so we decided to came up with 3 types of responses. The first one is mitigating risk. we are going to reduce the risk that happen in our maintenance system and inspect the area. Like we're going to provide parking area facilities and book a hall enough space that to avoid crowdness, and the other resources matter, reserve resources. And for the safety issue, of course, now it's MCO, so we focusing in safety, like focusing on safety regarding facility safety, food safety and hygiene, and health precaution steps such like body temperature scanner. Before entering the hall, they need to they have a device to take temperature of their body temperature, and face mask and apply sanitizer before entering the hall. Next,
Kavita, very sorry. Sorry for interrupt. Very sorry, but in my screen, the Muspira screen doesn't move.
Yeah, mine too.
Doesn't
I'm
move.
just looking at my phone and
Yeah.
But it's already showing. Maybe
We cannot continue because the doctor cannot see our slides, right?
no. The one who is recording this
but
screen is me.
Muspira is recording, so maybe
Yeah, so it's okay.
Okay.
Maybe
I'm sorry.
your
Okay, let's continue.
we need to restart or
no, it's okay. Just
continue.
carry on.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. The second response type is avoiding risk. We are able to eliminate a risk before it happens by managing utility service and technical maintenance in advance. For example, avoid any mechanical defects earlier before the workshop, before our project starts. For example, installing high technology equipments will prevent this matter. And of course, we need well-trained staffs and high experienced entrepreneurs to efficiency of the project. And food and beverage is we have to select the right food, because this is multiracial country, and some some race have some preference. So I think chicken is the best. So we have to more care about the food so everyone can eat. And the last one is transferring risk. So we preferring on choosing fixed price rental, that is included the sets of hall, like decoration, number of chairs, tables, that all included in the hall. So we no need to buy extra stuff, extra sauce. So in this case, we able to reduce our budget cost. Next, I will pass it to another presenter.
Okay. The next is slide 6, right? And
yes,
I'm going to start the contingency plan for the major risk. The first one is following the SOP for the project. The first major risk is MCO. We can still an ongoing project by following the standard operating procedure. For instance, the seat is limited and there must be a distance between it, social distancing, and the temperature checking, provide hand sanitizer. For the next one is prepare extra money 10% from the budget or loan money. We can spare 10% out of our cost, unforeseen or unexpected expenses or loan money. And the third one is AV equipment failure. We can test the equipment right before the project started and make sure The audio man is always ready to handle if there any failure. The fourth one is if they're finding the right venue. If there is a problem with the venue availability, we can make a list of backup venue for us to relocate the project. So we move to the next slide is contingency minor risk. The first one is make a list of potential speakers that are available at the time. For the minor risk, we can make a list of potential speakers that is available at the time and choose a backup person to replace a position of the unavailable speaker. The second one is prepare quizzes and prizes and Q&A session. To get the engagement of the audience, we can tell them we will have a Q&A session or question and answer session, and there will be door prize for those who can answer and ask to get the interact for the audience. The third one is the third one is rearrange schedule or make a backup schedule. It's also for the time management. If the project does not go according to the plan, we choose the backup activity or we can reschedule it. The fourth is assign a professional to take over the technology use. This is to deal with the misuse of technology. We can hire a professional and let them take over the technology. The next one is find the nearby and the compatible restaurant. And from the catering problem, if by the time our project starts and the catering suddenly have a problem, we can look up for the nearby restaurant to make more easier, and that is also compatible. And for the last one is choose a suitable workshop theme with the current situation. Because our theme is entrepreneurship, we need to provide the entrepreneurship equipment, and for the problem choosing the theme, we can choose the theme that relate to the current situation so that people or the audience can interest to our workshop. Okay, we move to another speaker, Andika. That's all for me. Andika, let's start. Andika.
Now review about terus banyak itu so in the step
Andika, sorry for interrupting. Andika?
Yeah, Andika have a problem with their sound. And
Andika, I think I just call you through WhatsApp
yeah,
and then
yeah, I think
okay. Yeah. You didn't answer yet. Okay. Oh.
Ah, I already text him.
Yeah. So where is Anika? Show you. Anika, show your face on it. You're presenting through the WhatsApp right now.
Okay, sorry, I have problem with my voice in WhatsApp. I will continue the presentation in WhatsApp. Okay, I will continue the part of contingency reserve. First, my name is Andika Rizka Ditomo. My matric number is 200168. The first step is we held the workshop session. First is 10 a.m. until 12 p.m. and the second is 1 p.m. until 3 p.m. And the entrepreneurship workshop ticket from 2% is 150 ringgit. And we also got sponsorship from another company. We get 2,500 ringgit. 2,500 ringgit. And we also rent a ballroom capacity from 100 until 200 guests for 7 hours. We get the price in 1,000 ringgit. And we hired 2 presenters for our project. We got 500 ringgit from 2 presenters. We also put the advertise and poster. We're using WhatsApp and Instagram and radio. The estimate cost from using this media is 200 ringgit. And then move to the next. We also run audio visual equipment like LCD projector, screen audio, and microphone and video wall. We got the price for 150. And the following SOP and this project following the SOP for the project, providing hand sanitizer and having guests wear masks for safety. We estimate the hand sanitizer for 2 season workshop is 150 ringgit. Okay, the overall budget is 2150 ringgit. Okay, that is all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you.